How to log in to Allstate.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily log into the Allstate.com account. But before we get started, do not forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Allstate and then hit enter. You could also go to allstate.com right away, but I'm just going to show you guys from here. Once you click here, you'll find the Allstate Insurance Company website. Go ahead and open it up. And once you open up the website, you will land on their official website. This is the home page. And on the top right corner, you have the login option. If you don't see this here, scroll down a bit and here you will find my account. And if you're new here, you can always create an account. And then after you've done that, just click on login right here. And it will take you to a different portal where you have an option to log in. So click on my account login. Now once you land on this login portal, here you have an option to enter your user ID and then your password. Alternatively, you could also use your email address and your password to log into your account. So go ahead and enter your email address and then your password to log in. If you have forgotten your password, you can click right here to reset your password easily. Just go ahead and enter your email there and then you should be able to get back to your account. So that's how you easily log into the Allstate.com account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.